What's up, Blockheads? If you guys are new here, well, I'm going to introduce the channel. Basically, what we do here is enjoy motorcycles. Doesn't matter what motorcycles. Currently on a Harley, also on a Grom. It's got 2 wheels, trying to have some fun on it. Do moto vlogs, install videos, review videos on motorcycles, gear, test rides, all sorts of stuff. If you guys like that kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon as well so it sends you notifications of future uploads and all that. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy the video. All right, let's get to it.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday,
Jason Michaels. Happy birthday to you. Come on, come on.
You got one.
For he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow, for he's a jolly good fellow.
Hello. Low battery. Goodbye.
I guess we're not dual vlogging, guess we're solo vlogging today. Forgot to turn my Sena off. Yeah, up here, leaving Standard Motorcycle Company. It's Jason Paul Michaels' birthday. So happy birthday, Jason Paul Michaels. Thanks for the invitation, sir. The joys of getting separated. Riding here with Raj, Miss Blockhead back there, as well as Crystal. Alright, we're all back together. So yeah, this is just gonna be a super quick random video, just riding back. I mean, I've been hard at work recording crazy amounts of episodes. I don't know if you guys have seen, obviously, like before this I usually try to get out 3 a week, but lately I've actually been doing about 4 a week. And it's just because I'm trying to keep the stuff like up to speed, you know. Chronologically, I don't want to let it like set so long. Because what happens is this, is like whenever I'll record an episode and I'll be like, okay, that's a cool episode, I want to release it. I don't want to just throw it away. But then what'll happen is I'll record another episode that is more like chronologically like important, right? So like recently I released a Grom video where, you know, I was exploring around, you know, some abandoned places and stuff like that. And in that video I talk about the movie Avengers Infinity War, right? Well, that seriously came out like a month and a half ago, like from the time I'm recording like right now. So by the time you guys see this, you know, it'll probably be even further. But there were some episodes that came out that I recorded after that, before that. So it's like, not everything is in chronological order, you know? But I usually don't put a disclaimer or anything like that. So it's just, if I happen to mention something time-wise in an episode, is whenever you guys kind of catch an idea of if it's behind or not. Usually I try to refrain from that. I actually thought about cutting that out, but it actually pertained to the story that I was telling, so I left it in. And I just wanted to reach out, and I told you guys after I filmed that 50,000 subscriber video that I would film a proper, you know, 50,000 subscriber thank you video. But the thing is that this isn't going to be me thanking you guys for 50,000 subscribers. It's not going to be that video. Man, I don't even think a month has passed. And I want to thank you guys for 60,000 subscribers. Dude, y'all are awesome. Seriously, y'all have been hitting that subscribe button like just absolute crazy. And I can't thank you guys enough for it, because we seriously, like, once we hit 50,000, man, just exponentially started growing much faster. I'm really super grateful that you guys are hitting that subscribe button, and I've been getting a lot of activity on like my older videos, older posts and stuff like that. So a lot of newcomers to the channel, a lot of new subscribers. So to all you guys, welcome. To all you old subscribers, thanks for staying around, man. Greatly appreciated. So I guess in addition to a thank you, you know, maybe I'll go over some of the stuff that's going to be happening here on the channel in the next, you know, few weeks and months. But man, we got some absolutely huge things planned for you guys. I say we. This whole Blockhead thing has definitely become more than just me. I'm the one that sits down and edits the videos, but it has become such a community. you know, between like Blockhead crew and, you know, Standard Motorcycle Company. And by this time, you guys have seen the videos where, you know, me and Jason Paul Michaels are riding, talking about basically working together, you know, the Who Is Jason Paul Michaels series. We're going to do another series. John Maxwell's going to be coming down, so I'm going to do a Who Is John Maxwell. We're going to be doing some dual vlogs together, ride some Groms together, obviously ride Harleys together. And just going to show him some of the sights around Florida. You know, he's got a day where he's going to be rev up. He's got like a week that he's coming down on vacation with his family, and we're going to be hanging out for a day and doing motorcycle stuff. It's going to be fun, man. I can't wait to meet him. John Maxwell, don't forget your 93 Dead Dinosaurs shirt. I think we'll maybe try and hunt for some even higher octane dinosaurs while you're down here. We'll see. I heard there's this really rare area that might have even higher octane liquid explosive dinosaurs, but we'll see. But yeah, so that's coming up. You know, more stuff with Standard Motorcycle Company. Basically, we're going to be working on this bike, working on just totally modifying it. We're going to be, guys, like, got some huge plans for this bike. It's going to become like a totally different monster. I can't wait to show you guys. I can't wait to, you know, work with Standard Motorcycle Company. Just from the little that I've worked with them already, like some of the footage that we've gotten and some of the really positive, you know, input from you guys has been awesome, you know. And there's actually been a lot of people that are local that have basically gone to Standard Motorcycle because of the channel, and met up a lot of subscribers up there saying that they didn't know something like that existed until the channel. And so that's awesome, man, for you know, that's for it to get that exposure and for you guys to now have a place to actually wrench and work on your bikes, man. That's what Standard Motorcycle Company is all about. Continuing work with them should be a lot of fun. We got new motorcycles coming up, guys. You know, we're gonna be, and I'm not just talking about like Grom. I'm not gonna go like super far into it or give you guys like any details because I don't want to spoil the surprises and all that. But we've got multiple motorcycles coming up, and I'm not going to tell you guys like in what vein. It could be multiple different pathways that we're going to be dealing with, that from test rides to, I don't even know. I'm already giving you too much information, so I'm going to go ahead and stop there, but something to look forward to. One of the resolutions I made, you know, during New Year's, I basically made channel resolutions instead of like me resolutions, but we're actually working on some me resolutions at the moment, working on you know, being healthier and all that stuff. But channel resolutions wise, we wanted to do food reviews, which I guess doesn't really tie into being healthier. Definitely doesn't tie into being healthier, but it's something that Miss Block and I are definitely wanting to do. I know the Blockhead crew is pretty eager to get started on that, so definitely want to try and push for that, because there's so many really awesome, just amazing food spots around Orlando, and I've actually talked to a couple of them, and they're totally down and willing to basically let us film and do some featured episodes on them. So it's really cool, man, to basically approach local businesses, or do like even just, you know, motorcycle businesses, you know, from Harley Davidson to Honda or whoever, to be able to say like, yo, I run this channel, you know, based on motorcycles. We have fun on two wheels, we do modifications and, you know, reviews and all this stuff, and for them to check it out and for them to be down to work with me. And that's for two reasons. That's for one, you know, I put a lot of effort and hard work into it, and I really hope that that comes across, and, you know, that you guys can see that, which I think you can, because if it wasn't quality stuff, right, I wouldn't suspect that y'all would be hitting the subscribe button. The second reason that they're willing to work with me is because of you guys, because of the amount of support that the channel has, because you guys hit that subscribe button, and that's super, just really awesome. That's huge. That's where we get a lot of the traction and a lot of the momentum, is thanks to you guys. So thank y'all for that. I greatly appreciate it. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys so much for 60,000 subscribers. I'm sure by the time I release this video, it's going to be more than that, just because of the growth rate. So can't thank you guys enough. Anyways, thank you guys once again. I greatly appreciate it. Once again, Jason, hey, happy birthday, dude. Thanks for the invite. It's always a good trip when it's not raining here in Florida. It finally isn't raining. Guys, it's been raining here for like, Jesus, like the last 2 months. Every single freaking time we want to go ride, rain. It's like clockwork. Hey, You guys need something watered outside? Just tell us to go ride. It'll rain. So it's really nice that it didn't. But there's actually storms basically all around us right now, and we're lucky we're catching a little break in the middle. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys aren't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button as well. Hit the bell icon so it sends you notifications for future uploads and activity. Until next time, you guys ride safe out there. Stay vigilant. We'll catch you guys later. Deuces.